are there about chicken roast? I'm gonna do some roasts and some sauce.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Dude, what is that? Mario painting from Mario 64?
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Then again, why are you doing? Talking to me. And also that parrot you got on your head. That hope to be the green duck from me. I'm scared. I freaking hate you, homie. I'm scared. Yo, it's just Mario Orange looking crap. Damn. Now there's Easter Island. It's Easter Island in the background. And also, what is that? What are those? Is that supposed to be a trumpet or something? Dang, Wirestar. I didn't even say anything, people. And sponges don't even wear underwear. Get that Nancy Crab on the screen. What did that hand come from? Was that the pirate earlier? Anything? Why should they be here? I'm not even say before. What are those? Easy, for God's sake. I mean, still jingers who call shoes look like shoes. They look like cucumbers. Look at them fake Hot Wheels. Fake Hot Wheels. Oh, bootleg Hot Wheels. Even SpongeBob got fake little people. Fake Hot Wheels and fake little people. The little people did collapse. This is what it looked like. That's a talking fish. Oh, Finding Nemo.
Does they want ice cream?
I know so. Why you being nice so sissy baka? Yeah.
Do you want an ice cream?
Yes. Well, yet again, oh, there you guys now going in the comments. It's a cartoon. What do you think? I know it's a cartoon. This is the best show ever. Yeah, not hey, that's you for anyone. I fact it the same universe where Bubble Guppies and the Little Mermaid live. Dude, you can match your face. What Candy Sponge cannot do. First, you can make his friendly Mr. Hand up the screen. I can even repeat myself. SpongeBob, please stop. Sponges do not wear underwear for that. Transform.